Hi, welcome to this quick Flussos tutorial. If you want to take control of your business, definitely take advantage of all that Flussos has to offer. In this brief tutorial, I'm going to dive into actually how you edit step by step within a flow and show you some of the options there. Again, when you get Flussos, these flows come pre-built like this, so they're ready to go. But if your business model is different, I'm going to show you what you can do to customize a step. So again, this is a flow that's already in Flussos. Whenever you want to edit a step, all you have to do is click on the step and you'll get a window that pops up on the side here. There are three areas where you can edit how this step operates, and you'll mostly be in the first two steps or first two sections modifying. So you're able to change the step name here, reassign it to a different team. I have another tutorial video where I show you how to add a team. You're able to set the reminder field and modify who gets notified. So that's the detail section. The form section, you're able to impact how it looks. So you click on design, and once in, you're able to edit different sections. You're able to type in what you want, add new fields, save it, and that'll modify the step. So hopefully you found this brief introduction into customization helpful. If you'd like to get a more in-depth look, please visit flussos.com. Sign up for a demo. We'll have a demo specifically for your business, and we look forward to talking with you. Thank you very much.